Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. Jane and Django are busy cleaning up these games a little bit. Gonna take them to the auction. Clean just some basic surface cleaning. They just look way better. Like, that thing was just nasty. Just a few minutes with some cleaner and a rag, and they look just a ton better. James already cleaned up that cabinet a little bit. It looked kind of like that one. Well, there's another wood grain one. It looked like, looked more like that one. That one's metal, but it's pretty dirty. This one's got a little rust on it, so that one's not all going to clean up quite as well. But anyway, here I'll show you what I'm doing here on this Pac-Man. And I use this product here, Sprayway All-Purpose Cleaner. I already sprayed this down a second ago. You see, I sprayed on pretty heavy. It's kind of like a foaming spray, like glass cleaner, except it's a little stronger. But anyway, leave it on there, let it eat for, I don't know, 60 seconds or something, and it will the crud just wipes right off. It's kind of amazing. I mean, this thing's not going to look great, but it will, in comparison, it will look great. So I cleaned that side there, and that side I haven't. And you see my rag, how dirty it is. So it's just like, actually that first spray I put on there kind of dried off a little bit. Need to wet it up again. Let it set a little too long. So yeah, it's not going to fix the missing paint, but it sure looks a lot better than that, So anyway, helps a little bit. So this rag was clean when I started. All this dirt's just from that one side. And these games that have the sticker on them, they really clean up. This one looked almost as dirty as that one, and it just it all comes off because you got that nice slick surface, that nylon or whatever plasticky sticker on there. They clean up a lot better than the painted surfaces. It's like this one was super nasty, and the whites are white again, so really helps. So I just cleaned up the left half of this game. Really makes a difference in here, that versus that versus that. Get down here, that. I don't know how well this is all coming up on the camera. That's the dirty side and the clean side, Just takes a minute and just knock the dust off of it, get it semi-clean. Anybody that buys this is buying it as a project, obviously. They might even want to make a main cabinet, but they've got to be able to see that it can be something. Some people can see through the dirt, and some people can't. They see dirt and they think, oh, it's garbage. And some people can see through the dirt, but just for the people that don't see through the dirt, I'm going to clean it up a little bit for them. So the auction's pretty much over. Everybody's hauling their gear out. We sold everything except for nobody bid on the crane over there. Everything else sold. Got about what I thought I'd get. I did buy this Paragon. Got a pretty good deal on it. It was non-functional. The playfield has a little bit of wear, but not too bad. One of the inserts is missing. Again, not too worried about that. The good news is, opened it up. It's got a brand new MPU, brand new lamp board, so it's not booting up. I'm assuming it's probably not getting power. There was a brand new auxiliary lamp driver board. It's still in the package inside of it, so another little $50 bonus. So the cabinet's pretty nice on this game. Actually, very nice. So pretty stoked with that. Pretty good deal. Anyway, I'll probably close this video off, and if y'all like your videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.